Hello guys, and welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, which continues to see further breakdown moves after losing our key area of support between the 0.572 and the 1.834. And on today's update video, I will be discussing my long-term perspective of the charts, giving you reasons as to why we could still make it to new all-time highs in this bull market, and above all discuss the short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, where you can see that from the lows we made back in 2022, we started a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, where we peaked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1. And in that bounce to the upside, the market was up more than 1,804% to the upside. And after we made those highs in the formation of this wave 1, we started a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I had been giving you in my previous videos by connecting the fibs from the lows we made back in 2023 in the formation of that wave 1 to the high above the 3.479, where you can see that my target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88 as a maximum, and that was between the 0.563 and the 1.831, an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that in this massive drop to the lower side, the market has been down more than 90.2% from the highs we made above the 3.479. And there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, even after losing our key area of support. And I'm still giving the bulls the benefit of doubt, expecting that soon they are going to take control of the market and continue pushing the price even higher in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we made in the formation of this wave 2, and the minimum target area for the wave 3 lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 5.723 as our minimum target area. And a bounce to that significant area will easily give us an all-time high. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5, possibly taking us above the 7 USDT mark in the next coming weeks. So that is my long-term perspective of the chart. I still maintain that we can still see new all-time highs, but we also need to have in mind that if we continue seeing the tariff wars and all that, there are high chances that we can continue seeing further breakdown moves in a move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows below the 0.017. So that is something else that we also need to have in mind. We still have the risk of further breakdown moves in the next coming days. You can also see that from the highs we made in December 2024, the market is now down more than 84.29%. And with these significant drops to the lower side, there are high chances that the low is almost in, and soon we are going to see a market structure shift and continue pushing higher in the formation of these wave 3. And for that to also play out, we also need to see some impulsive movements on the lower time frames. And what I mean by that, from the lows we made yesterday, I need to see a 5-wave structure unfolding to the upside to confirm that we have a low in place, and a more bullish case scenario that is going to lead us into market structure shift is going to unfold. And here on the 4-hour time frame, I believe that we could have now picked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, and in the next coming hours we can easily see a bit of a slight pullback in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And the area that we need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 to the 78, and that is between the 0.383 and the 0.358, which is this yellow target area over here. And in case of any pullbacks, that is the area that we need to continue holding within, because that area should also act as support. Get a reversal within the area and start another bounce in the formation of this wave 3, possibly getting us above the 0.5 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days. Then we can expect the wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 5. Then from that point, I will expect a 3-wave structure to the lower side over here before we can continue pushing higher. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fetch AI to follow on the short term. And this structure over here can only get invalidated in case we break out of this yellow target area to the lower side. If that plays out, then I will expect a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April. Then from that point, expect a massive breakdown move, giving us a reset of the lows we made back in 2023, which I have been considering as our bear market lows. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fetch AI to follow on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.